Hello and welcome. Language is more than just a system of rules. It is thought woven into form. Whenever we are speaking, we are not merely arranging words. We are tracing the threads that bind one idea to the other. Each sentence we utter, in truth, is a quiet response to a deeper query. How does this idea lean upon the other? Here, in this delicate act of connection, conjunctions arise. They are modest in size, yet heavy with burden. Within them rest the architectures of logic, the movement of time, the pulse of cause, the tension of choice, the shadow of fear, and the inevitability of consequence. Today we turn to certain conjunctions and their uses, not as rules to be memorized, but as windows into how the human mind reasons. The conjunction or, the philosophy of choice. Few words are as human as the conjunction or. It presents alternatives and with them responsibility. Your purse or your life. You must work or starve. You must take this book or that one. Sometimes life gives not two options, but many. He may study law, or medicine, or engineering, or he may enter into trade. Sometimes the conjunction or does more than choose, it can rename. The violin or fiddle has become the leading instrument in the modern orchestra. Sometimes the conjunction or warns us. We must hasten, or night will overtake us. Sometimes the conjunction or almost means and. The troops were not wanting in strength or courage, but they were badly fed. The conjunction or, a small word, but one that decides destinies. The conjunction if, the grammar of uncertainty. The conjunction if lives where certainty ends. It can express condition. If he is there, I shall see him. If that is so, I am content. The conjunction if can express admission. If I am blunt, I am at least honest. If I am poor, yet I am honest. The conjunction if sometimes expresses inquiry. I asked him if he would help me. I wonder if he would come. And finally, the conjunction if sometimes breaks into emotion. If only I knew. That single sentence, if only I knew, contains longing, regret, and hope, held together by one tiny conjunction. If you like this video and you have learned something from this lecture, then click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.